Today for class, we'll be playing shakers and drums. You'll need a grown-up with you to help out and make sure you're being safe. Hello kiddos, it's Miss Jenny, and I am so excited to see you in our music classroom today. Today, we are singing all about the kinds of things that you might see driving down the street. Can you think of something you might see driving down the street? Yeah? 5 big green garbage trucks rolling down the street. The first one said, "We take garbage that's so neat." Can you do that? We take garbage that's so neat. Good. Second one said, "Oh my, we're so tough." Let's try that. Oh my, we're so tough. Show me your muscles, yeah. Let's move our bodies. We are going to move like cars. So you can steer your steering wheel or roll your wheels. Just make sure you're safe. I see the light is green and so I will go. I see the light is green and so I will go. I won't go to Presto. I won't go to Largo. Shaker time. We are going to do some shaker songs. And today with our shakers, we're pretending that we are riding on bicycles. But before you can ride on your bike, if you're riding on your bike, wear a helmet, click, click. If you're riding on your bike, wear a helmet, click, click. If you're riding on your bike, ride safely on your bike. If you're riding on your bike, wear a helmet, click, click. Story time. Let's move our bodies again. I'm a great big garbage truck driving down the road. It's time for rockin' rhythms. I have my drum here because it is rockin' rhythms time. If you don't have a drum, that's okay. You can always drum on your legs, drum on the floor, or clap your hands. So our rhythms are patterns of sound on a steady beat, on a steady beat. Very good. First rhythm is our quarter note. Quarter note. 1 sound, 1 beat. 1 sound, 1 beat. So we need a 1 sound word. Today, our word is truck. 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 Truck is a short 1 sound word. It will be perfect for our quarter note. Truck, garbage truck. Your turn. Play that now. Truck, garbage truck. It's matching pitch practice time. For singing our pitches today, we're going to sing on our numbers, starting with 1 and going up, 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 and then down, 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 down. 1. I had so much fun singing about bikes and cars and buses and garbage trucks and all sorts of things like that today. I hope you had fun, and I wonder what we'll sing about next time. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It was good seeing you today. Bye-bye. Little Kiddos Music